Hello and welcome to today's video. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm answering a question that I get asked all the time. Is North Wales really that good? Let's find out. So we started on the beach at Blackrock Sands, and half an hour we're at the base of Snowdon. And you say, oh, Wales isn't epic. Now we're in the tranquility of Llyn Pedan at the bottom of Snowdon, which is just over there in Llanberis. And this right here is one of the most photographed trees in Britain, maybe even in Europe. It is known as the Lone Tree of Llyn Pedan.